So today we discuss about the family Rubiaceae. So this is another family of the dicotyledons are included in your syllabus. As you know, all of these seen this flower or this plant. ये प्लांट आप लोगों ने देखा है. So this plant is comes under the family Rubiaceae. So it's a unique type of inflorescence are covered under these Rubiaceae inflorescence. So first of all, the distinguishing characters of the family Rubiaceae. So these members of the Rubiaceae are mostly they are trees or herbs. So herbaceous plants are and some are the trees are included under this Rubiaceae family. Then there is the leaves of that members are the alternate and opposite. You can see this. The leaves are and they are opposite. And next is about the inflorescence. So inflorescence it is most type. That means there the small peduncles are developed. Small peduncles are on that at terminal old or at the middle position old flowers are there and at the surroundings there is the young flower. बीच में आप देख सकते हो there is the old flower and at the both side there is the young flowers. Then flowers are tetra or pentamerous. Tetramerous that means they are having the 4 petals. Penta that means 5 petals. So you can see in the first picture there is the 4 petals. So it is tetramerous flowers. Then it is hermaphrodite that means all floral organs are present in the single flower. Then it is actinomorphic that means if we cut the flower in any angle they can make the equal parts. Then it is the all members of these families are the epigynous. Epigynous that means above the ovary all floral parts are present. That means anthers, petals, calyx, all parts are above the ovary. Then next is about the corolla. So corolla is the gamopetalous. Corolla it is in gamo that means fused condition. So these petals, the corollas, they will be in fused conditions. Then stamens number is the 4 to 5 and they are epipetalous. They are attached to the petals. You can see in the picture there is the stamens that are attached to the petals. That is a term is the epipetalous. Then introstamens that means the after the maturity of the anther, the dehiscence of stamens these will be takes place from the inner sides of this anther. फिगर जो फर्स्ट फिगर है वहाँ पे आप देखते हो जो इनर साइड से जो भी स्टैमेन है स्टैमेन इनर साइड से डिहाइसेंस होती जाए. Then it is diathecous. Diathecous condition आप सेकंड फिगर में देख सकते हो. There is the two chamber like arrangement of the stamens are observed in the diathecous condition. Then ovary is inferior. Again above the ovary all floral parts are there. Then it is bilocular. To at the two sides आप वहाँ पे ovules देख सकते हो. That is bilocular. Then with one or many ovules in each locule. Each locule में हम वहाँ 5 to 6 वहाँ पे ovules present है. Then fruit is in capsule or berry type. So last figure में आप देख सकते हो all fruits are in berry or in capsule type. So these are some distinguishing characters of the family Rubiaceae. Then next is about the systematic positions of the one of the member of Rubiaceae, that is Xeracoccinia. So first of all, the class it is comes under the class Dicotyledone. That means there is the reticulate venations. Then they are having two cotyledons. Then it is comes under the subclass Gamopetalae. That means the petals are infused and stamens are epipetalous. So here stamens epipetalous, that means all the stamens they are attached to the petals. फर्स्ट फिगर में पिक्चर है वहां पे आप देख सकते हो जो stamens है, these stamens are attached to the petals. That term is the epipetalous. Then series is inferior, that means ovary is inferior, bicarpellary and syncarpous. So in second picture you have seen the ovary is inferior. Above the ovary, the all floral part, that means calyx hai, yellow corolla hai, and androecium, these are present above the ovary. Then it is bicarpellary, they are having two carpels, and syncarpous, that means they are fused in conditions. Then it comes next is about the cohort, or which is also called order. So it is in Rubiaceae order and having the exile placentation. Exile placentation, you have seen this picture. So here at the center there is the ovules are attached. So at the central wall the ovaries attached. That is exile placentation. Then family Rubiaceae, genus Ixora, and species Coccinia. This is the flowering tweak of the Ixora Coccinia. They are having in different colors, that is red, white, in pink. So next is about the general characters of this Ixora. So it is habit, it is evergreen shrubby plants, and roots are the branch and taproot system is there. Then stem is always erect, woody, cylindrical, solid, branched, and green in color. You can see in the picture. Then leaves are sessile or petiolate. So sometimes the leaves are sessile, that means they are having no stalk or petiole. And in petiolate, the small petiole, you can see in the uh, picture, there is at the base of the leaf, small petiole is there. So it is petiolate. The simple leaves are there. They can be opposite and decussate. Decussate, that means दो नीचे के दो देखो कैसे लीव्स हैं और ऊपर के उसके एग्जैक्ट 90 एंगल में वो प्रेजेंट है, तो वहां पे उस टाइप को क्या बोलते हैं, डीकसेट टाइप ऑफ अरेंजमेंट. कैलाट्रोपिस प्लांट स्टडी किया था, तो कैलाट्रोपिस के भी जो लीव्स अरेंजमेंट रहती है वो डीकसेट टाइप लीव अरेंजमेंट रहती है. देन next is about the floral characters. So here, in case of the inflorescence, these Rubiaceae or the Ixora plant shows polychaesial sign type of inflorescence, and they are having in red, pink, and also in yellow color. Polychaesial sign, that means the old flower at the center and the young flowers they are present at the periphery. Then flowers are bracteate, so small bract is present at the base of the flower. Then it is pedicellate, small pedicel is present at the base of the flower. Then it is complete flower, that means male and female reproductive organs present on the uh, single flowers. Then it is actinomorphic, hermaphrodite, that is bisexual, that means male and female sex present in same plant, same flower. Then it is epigynous, above the ovary, all floral parts are there. Then it is tetramerous symmetry. You can see here in the picture there is the four petals, so it is tetramerous symmetry. Then next is about the calyx. So calyx it is in four uh, sepals and they are gamosepal. They are fused in condition. They forms the tube-like structure and they are having the valvate aestivation. Then corollas are also four in numbers and they are gamopetalous. Corolla tubes, these corolla tubes are very narrow tube like जो tube आपको बड़ी लंबी सी ट्यूब दिख रही है that is the corolla. So uh, one third part of this corolla will be fused and above they will be one part will be free. So here narrow tube will produced by the corolla. Then androecium. So androecium in that stamens, four stamens are present and they are epipetalous. They are attached to the petals. Then filament is short and anther is sagittate and polyandrous. That is, they are in polyandrous conditions and they will be sagittate. That is the attachment of the filament from the inner sides of the anther. Then next is about the gynoecium. So gynoecium it is bicarpellary, that is two carpels are there. They are fused or that means syncarpous inferior ovary. It is above ovary all floral parts. Axial placentation. The ovary is attached to the inner sides of the or inner wall of the ovules. Then fruit is globose berry. So next is about the floral formula. So floral formula, first sign it is the circle and plus sign, that is actinomorphic flower. Then it is hermaphrodite, that is male and female. Sex organs are present in this flower. Then K is in four number and bracket, that means it is fused in condition. Then Caraxibar corolla, which is also in four number and they are fused. Then A is the androecium. So androecium here androeciums are also that means stamens are also four. So here mentioned four and there is shows in floral formula there is the one line from calyx corolla to the androecium because these androecium they are attached to the corolla के ऊपर जो petals है petals के ऊपर है स्टैमेंस अटैच हुए दैट्स वाई यहाँ पे जो कनेक्शन दिखाया हुआ है एक लाइन पेटल दैट इज करोला से एंड्रोशियम तक आपको एक लाइन निकालनी पड़ती है देन गायनोशियम सो गायनोशियम इट इज बाइकार्पिलरी दैट मीन्स टू वहां पे है तो टू दैट सिनकार्पस कंडीशन है दैट इज दैट्स वाई ब्रैकेट वहां पे दिखाया है और इंफीरियर ओवरी है इसलिए उसके ऊपर line आनी चाहिए. This is about the floral formula. Then this is the flowering twigs of these Xeracoccinia shows both cyme type inflorescence. Then leaves arrangement in that the interpetiolar stipules is there. Then there is the elisa flower in that you can see the stamens are attached to the petals. Then in the stamens there is the short filaments and anthers are there. Gynoecium contains the ovary, style and stigma. The TS of ovary shows the exhale placentation in that two locules are there that because of bicarpellary and they are contained the many numbers of ovules. Then about the floral diagram. So here at the outer side there is the actinomorphic sign. Then There is the three bracts or bracteoles are present at the base of flower. They are mentioned. Then there is the four petals are there, and at the inner side four calyx and four petals are there. And to the petals, they shows the arrangement of stamens. So stamens are shown in figure to attach to this corolla. Then at the center, there is the bicarpellary ovary is drawn with the many ovules. Then last one is the economic importance or economically important members of this family Rubiaceae. So here coffee, that as you know, that is coffee arabica. It's first figure, it is coffee arabica. In that seeds are roasted and powdered to make the coffee. Then another member of Rubiaceae, that is Hamelia patens. These Hamelia patens are mostly used in gardens for the ornamental purposes because they are having very attractive flowers in orange colors, and they are in many gardens they are cultivated as a ornamental plant. Also, the examples of Xeracoccinia, they are also used for as a ornamental because they are having the different in different shades of flowering, that is pink, yellow, white, red. So they are will also attractive flowering, so they can be grown as a ornamental plants. So here this is all information regarding the family Rubiaceae. You can got this family. You can easily identify this family with the help of its leaves arrangement, flower inflorescence type, and with this the distinguishing characters of that family. So